Hi guys, now a little tutorial about cutting fish, like gutting them, okay? First thing, have a sharp knife, not those stupid made in China stuff. Buy something made in USA or Germany, okay? Get, cut it here, and then cut all the way until it is the anal. And then what you do, you have to get a little bit messy, get all this gut out. Now once you take that out, here is one part that's like sticking to the mouth. It's really stiff. You gotta take all that out, put it through the way, and then after that here comes the technical part. In this part we have like a black line, okay, that has a lot of blood in it, and it's very yucky if you cook it, okay? So you gotta get rid of that and make sure that's gone. Okay, now the next thing is I'm gonna take the heads off, but if you don't take the heads off and you want to just have the head just to have it, you gotta get rid of those also. So get rid of those, and then make sure nothing from this black stuff is here. Okay, that's how you do it. And then look at that skin. We're gonna fry it today, and we're gonna keep the skin. I'm gonna cut the head over there later on, and then cut the tail, and then fry it. Okay. All right. Hope it helped.
Me and Kaveh are gonna Mickey Mouse some lunch using trout and trail mix. Can you explain?
Yeah, well, we forgot seasonings, so we don't have salt, we don't have pepper, we don't have onion powder, nothing. So basically I'm using the fat from peanuts, and I'm gonna use some of the cranberries with water, and I'm gonna use it as a paste for the trout that I cut in pieces. It was 3 trouts, large trouts that we have, so we're gonna put them later on in this and use it. After it boils, it will release the fat from the peanuts and pistachio and all these fatty kind of seeds. And then we're gonna put the is on top, trail mix on bottom. I don't know what's gonna be, but it's protein, and you know, the best we could do.
So how you digging it?
We're digging on some protein with my man Andrew, and unfortunately we don't have salt, we don't have garlic, we don't have onion, so we kind of a messed up situation. All we had was trail meal and this fish that we catch, and we just boil them all together, kind of mix up. I don't know, it might be tasting better later on, but
It's better than yesterday's, that's for sure. There's more flavor at least. Yesterday was just bland.